Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix the lagging problem in TradingView in 2026. Now, if you are interested in TradingView premium subscriptions, you can just check out the link in the description of this deal. In this Black Friday deal, you are going to get up to 80% off on all of the subscriptions of TradingView. Plus, you will get 1 month absolutely for free. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, you will have to first of all click on the option of products in order to launch the chart in front of you, just like so. Now over here, if the chart feels you slow or delayed, you just have to begin it by switching to your charts layout to a single chart instead of the multiple charts. Now sometimes the extra layouts use more memory and it causes the lag. So if you are using multiple charts, make sure that you now use a single chart view. The next thing that you look for is you need to simply look for any kind of indicators. If you are using too many indicators on your chart, especially the custom made scripts, you can just simply switch to the one that is basically you needed right now, and you can remove the other indicators from your chart. In order to remove them, simply just right click on the chart, and here in this section it is going to show you all of the indicators that are enabled. So you can remove any of the indicators which is causing the problem. You can enable it later, but currently at the time when the screen is lagging, you just have to basically disable it. Now you can also just simply open your browser's settings, whichever browser you are using. You just have to go to its setting. Over here, simply use the search bar and you need to simply search for cache. Now once you are able to find the option of cache, you just have to remove the cache from here, and then you just have to try to refresh the chart, or you can also simply open the trading view in your web browser again to see if the problem still persists or if it is resolved. So you can also try restarting your Wi-Fi or switching to the wired connection, because sometimes when your internet connection is not good, you face these types of lagging problem. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading view tutorials. Thanks for watching.